Why do you have your coat on, Vinny? Are we?
Spring jacket.
That's your spring jacket. Why is it on? Why is it 10:30 at night and you won't take your coat off? Are we going somewhere?
By Brenda.
We're going by Brenda's. Aren't we going there tomorrow morning? Should we probably go to sleep first?
We are done going to sleep.
We're all done going to sleep. Well, why are we all done going to sleep?
I done going to the couch.
Yeah? Should we go to bed?
I done going to bed.
Well, we gotta go night-night. Where are we going tomorrow morning? Huh? All done night-night? No. We have to go to bed. So we can go see Brenda tomorrow, right? And Grandma Jill and Jim. Maybe Nick and Rachel and Adam and Aaron. What's the puppy's name?
Diesel.
Oh, we're going to go see Diesel? You can go see Diesel. Mommy's got to work. Alright, can we go to bed now? Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Say, see you tomorrow, Brenda.
See you tomorrow, Brenda.
Can you blow her kisses goodnight? Say, love you guys.
Love you guys.
Aw, that's a big boy, Vinny. Okay, let's go to bed. Say,
No, goodbye.
yeah, we'll go to bed. Say goodnight.
Good night.